Did you know about this puff puff that have two mouths? Come over this way, let's see how this is being done. This is the best puff puff you can always eat anytime you want to eat puff puff. It's so delicious and the outcome is just so amazing. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. On this bowl, I will be streaming some all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So that is what I'm streaming over here. So after doing that, I have no dirty inside the streamer. That's so good. I will keep that aside. Then add in 1 cup of sugar. At the same time, half a teaspoon of salt and dry yeast. So that is what I'm adding over here. Then I'm going to add in the ingredients and stir together like this. So after stirring all of it together, is what I have. I will keep that aside. Look at that. So this is the dry ingredients. So what I do next is to get this mixed with warm water. So guys, making puff puff, you need warm water to mix your batter. You don't mix your batter with cold water, and at the same time you don't mix your batter with hot water. So you need warm water that cannot bite your finger. So that is what we mean by warm water. So I will be adding the water bit by bit like this, then give that a very good mix. If you haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for? This is the time you have to give it a share for future use and for other mommies to get the video. So now I'm going to use my hand to make sure that the batter is well mixed and is ready to use. So I give that a very good mix with my hand. So after me doing that, this is what I have. At this point, I'm done mixing it. You can see that I will take my spatula, gather all the batter together, then cover this to rest for 1 hour. It did not even reach up to 1 hour. 30 minutes is ready because we are in hot weather. So if you are not in hot weather, it can take you 1 hour, but if your weather is hot, it will take you just 30 minutes. It's ready like this. You can see that. So now it's time. So now I will be adding the vanilla extract. So guys, this is just so powerful. So this is the best vanilla you can always make use of. So that is just that. I'll just add a little bit of it and then get that mix. So that is just that. We are making vanilla puff puff, and if you want to know the reason why that puff puff open its mouth like that, so let me know in the comment section. So before you add it inside the oil, all you have to do is to first of all cut it like this. You can see how I'm doing it. Let me show you first. So over here we have hot oil. The oil has hot. So before adding your puff puff inside oil, make sure that the oil is okay. So I will just add in all the puff puff inside the hot oil like this. See how that is pumping. So you can see that at this point the puff puff are giving me that sign of 2 mouths, guys. So I test this puff puff. It was like so delicious, so crunchy and so amazing. So now I'm going to get that fried like this, and after frying, look at that. Look at this. Just look at this mouth. Look at this mouth, guys. So I have the normal round puff puff, then I have this normal mouth opening like this. So this one is the one I enjoy most, guys. This one that open the 2 mouth is the one I enjoy most. So that's it, just see. So if you want to know how it open a mouth and what to make it to open a mouth, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to tell you what really happened. See you in my next one. All you have to do is to share. Bye.